Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt like your legs were too heavy to carry you? Or perhaps you've been woken up in the middle of the night by a sharp, painful cramp in your calf. As we get older, losing strength in our legs is one of our biggest fears because our legs are our foundation. We are told to go for walks to keep our mobility, but walking alone does not build the muscle back. To rebuild the strength in your legs, your body desperately needs specific tools. It needs protein to repair the muscle fibers, potassium and magnesium to stop the cramping, and calcium to keep the bones underneath those muscles strong. Welcome to Foodie for Seniors. Today, I am going to show you 15 incredibly easy, comforting meals that take basic pantry staples and elevate them by just warming them together for 5 minutes. You get hot, homemade food that actively rebuilds your leg strength, with practically zero chopping and almost no dishes to wash. Let us begin. Our first meal is the canned chicken and white bean quick skillet. If your legs feel heavy after a morning walk, this is the exact meal you need to recover. Take 1 5-ounce can of chicken breast. Canned chicken is a fantastic affordable protein, but we are going to elevate it. Drain the liquid completely and use a fork to flake the meat right inside the can. Now, take a small skillet and put it over medium heat. Add 1/2 cup of canned white beans. Here is a crucial tip for senior health. Always pour your canned beans into a small strainer and rinse them under cool water for 30 seconds. This simple step washes away up to 40% of the added sodium. Add the flaked chicken to the pan along with a large handful of pre-washed baby spinach from a bag. Stir it gently for 3 minutes. The heat will warm the chicken, soften the savory beans, and melt the spinach down instantly. The chicken breast gives your torn leg muscles the lean protein they need to repair, while the white beans and spinach deliver a massive combined dose of magnesium and potassium to stop cramping. It is a warm, comforting meal in under 5 minutes. Next is a wonderful breakfast or light supper, the ground beef and sweet potato hash. We usually think of hash as taking forever to cook, but we are using smart shortcuts. If you have a few ounces of leftover cooked ground beef or turkey from a previous dinner, take it out of the fridge and place it in a warm skillet. To get that hearty sweet potato flavor without the exhausting work of peeling and chopping a hard root vegetable, open a can of diced sweet potatoes. Drain the syrup or liquid completely, and add 1/2 cup of the soft, bright orange potatoes right into the skillet with the beef. Sprinkle a heavy dash of cinnamon over the top. The cinnamon brings a beautiful warm aroma and helps regulate your blood sugar. Sauté this mixture for 4 minutes until the edges of the sweet potatoes get slightly caramelized. Beef is incredibly rich in iron, which your body uses to carry oxygen directly to your leg muscles. When your legs have enough oxygen, they do not tire out as quickly. The sweet potatoes provide dense carbohydrates to give you steady energy for the day. For a fast, vibrant lunch, assemble the tuna and cabbage stir-fry. Stir-fries are usually exhausting because they require slicing a dozen different vegetables. We are going to skip all of that knife work. Go to the produce section and buy a bag of plain coleslaw mix. This is just pre-shredded cabbage and carrots. Grab 2 large handfuls of this mix and drop it into a warm skillet with a tiny splash of olive oil and a dash of low-sodium soy sauce. Because it is shredded so finely, the cabbage will wilt and become perfectly tender in just 3 minutes. Now, open a can of water-packed tuna, drain it well, and stir the flaked tuna right into the warm cabbage. Turn off the heat. Cabbage is a fantastic cheap source of dietary fiber that keeps your digestion moving comfortably. The tuna gives you pure, fast-absorbing protein to support your muscle mass, alongside joint-lubricating omega-3 fatty acids to soothe stiff knees. It is savory, slightly crunchy, and completely effortless. When you want a dinner that feels rich and deeply satisfying, make the turkey and black bean salsa skillet. This is a wonderfully flavorful meal that uses the pantry to its maximum potential. Take 3 ounces of cooked ground turkey or use frozen pre-cooked turkey crumbles and drop them into a skillet over medium heat. Open a can of black beans, rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove the salt, and add 1/2 cup to the turkey. Now to create a rich, hydrating sauce without actually cooking a sauce. Simply spoon in 3 tablespoons of your favorite mild salsa. Let the mixture bubble together for a few minutes. The tomatoes and onions in the salsa break down into a beautiful savory gravy that coats the meat and beans. Black beans are absolute powerhouses for your legs. They are rich in iron and fiber, keeping your energy steady, while the turkey provides strong, lean fuel for your muscles. You can eat this right out of a bowl with a spoon, or scoop it up with a soft flour tortilla. If you love a savory breakfast, you will adore the egg and soft zucchini ribbon pan. Eggs are considered the absolute gold standard of protein for older adults because they contain every single amino acid needed to rebuild age-related muscle loss. But we want to add hydrating vegetables without doing heavy knife work. Take a fresh, washed zucchini, hold it firmly and run a standard vegetable peeler straight down the length of it, creating long, paper-thin ribbons of zucchini. Keep peeling until you reach the seedy core, then discard the core. Drop those beautiful green ribbons into a skillet with a tiny bit of butter. Because they are so thin, they cook and soften in 60 seconds. Crack 2 whole eggs directly over the zucchini ribbons, break the yolks and scramble them softly together. The zucchini provides essential hydration and a wonderful soft texture that is incredibly easy to chew and swallow, while the eggs go straight to work fortifying your leg muscles for the day ahead. Moving away from the stove, let us look at the oven with a foil packet lemon salmon and asparagus meal. The oven is brilliant because it requires 0 standing time. For this meal, we are using a classic French technique called baking in parchment, or in our case, simple tinfoil. Lay a square of tinfoil on a baking sheet. Place a piece of frozen salmon that you thawed overnight in the fridge right in the center. Now, take a small handful of fresh asparagus spears. You do not need a knife to trim asparagus. Just hold a spear near the bottom and bend it. It will naturally snap off right where the woody, tough part ends. Throw away the ends and lay the soft tops next to the salmon. Drizzle a little olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over everything. Fold the foil up tightly to create a sealed packet and bake it for 15 minutes. The fish and vegetables steam perfectly in their own juices, making them incredibly soft and moist. Salmon is loaded with omega-3s to soothe aching leg joints. And the best part is, to clean up, you just throw the foil away. For a beautiful warm lunch, try the sheeppan cherry tomatoes and chickpeas. This is a brilliant way to get roasted flavor without any chopping. Take a handful of whole cherry tomatoes, give them a quick wash, and leave them completely whole. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Open a can of chickpeas, pour them into a strainer, and rinse them incredibly well under cool water until the water stops foaming. Pat them dry with a paper towel and toss them onto the pan with the tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and a heavy dusting of garlic powder. Roast them in the oven for about 12 minutes or until the cherry tomatoes naturally burst open, releasing their sweet, savory juices. When tomatoes are cooked, they release a massive amount of an antioxidant called lycopene, which is wonderful for your blood flow and heart. The chickpeas become warm and tender, providing dense, cholesterol-sweeping fiber and fantastic plant-based protein to support your mobility. If you miss the nostalgic flavor of a Friday night fish fry but want to avoid the heavy, greasy batter, the panko-crusted fish and frozen peas is a revelation. Take a simple frozen white fish fillet, like tilapia or cod, and let it thaw in the fridge. Pat it dry with a paper towel. To create a crispy crust without frying, spread a very thin layer of Dijon mustard over the top of the fish. The mustard acts like a glue. Now press a spoonful of panko breadcrumbs right into the mustard. Place the fish on a sheet pan, and right next to it, pour out a pile of frozen peas straight from the freezer. Bake it until the fish is flaky and the breadcrumbs are golden brown. You get the wonderful, comforting crunch of fried fish, but it is baked and healthy. White fish is highly digestible, gentle protein, and the peas provide a massive hidden boost of fiber and plant protein to keep your legs feeling strong and stable. For a hearty, lazy weekend breakfast, assemble the sheet pan mushroom and egg bake. Mushrooms are a deeply savory, wonderful food, but cleaning and slicing them can be tedious. Simply buy an 8-ounce package of pre-sliced mushrooms from the produce section. Toss them on a baking sheet with a tiny drizzle of oil and roast them for 10 minutes until they are soft, dark, and fragrant. Pull the pan out of the oven and carefully crack 2 eggs directly over the bed of warm roasted mushrooms. Put the pan back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes until the egg whites are set. Mushrooms are one of the only produce items that provide natural vitamin D. Your body absolutely must have vitamin D. Your body absolutely must have vitamin D in order to absorb the calcium you eat. So the mushrooms help build the bones in your legs, while the soft, baked eggs provide the protein to build the muscles on top of those bones. If you want a meal that feels like a decadent dessert, but works hard to repair your body, try the warm roasted peaches and cottage cheese. This is the ultimate evening meal. Take a can of peach halves, ensuring they are packed in 100% fruit juice and not heavy syrup. Drain the juice and place the soft peach halves onto a small baking sheet. Dust them generously with cinnamon and broil or bake them for 5 minutes. The heat concentrates their sweetness and makes them incredibly warm and jammy. Place those warm peaches over a half cup of small curd cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a miracle food for older adults because it contains casein protein. Casein is a very slow digesting protein. When you eat this before bed, it slowly drips muscle-building nutrition into your body all night long, allowing your legs to repair themselves while you sleep. The warm fruit feels like a treat, but the meal is pure medicine for your muscles. Now, for days when even turning on the oven feels like too much, we are going to elevate the microwave. Our next meal is the instant grits and cheddar bowl. Grits are a classic staple, but we are going to make them work for your leg strength. Pour 1 packet of plain instant grits into a microwave-safe bowl. Instead of water, use fortified milk or a high-protein plant milk to cook them. Microwave for 1 minute until thick and creamy. Now, while it is still steaming hot, stir in a small handful of pre-shredded cheddar cheese. You do not need to grate it yourself. Let the grocery store do the work. The heat of the grits will melt the cheese instantly, creating a rich, savory, deeply comforting porridge. The milk and the cheddar cheese deliver a massive dose of calcium. If the bones in your legs are brittle, your muscles cannot operate at their full potential. This soft, easy-to-swallow bowl fortifies your skeleton and gives you the comforting carbohydrates needed for a morning walk. Next is a powerhouse of potassium, the microwave-baked potato and Greek yogurt. We often think of bananas for leg cramps, but a standard russet potato actually has significantly more potassium than a banana. However, baking a potato in the oven takes an hour. Instead, scrub a russet potato under warm water and use a fork to pierce the skin 4 or 5 times to let the steam escape. Microwave it on high for 6 to 8 minutes until it is completely soft and gives way when you squeeze it. Carefully split the hot potato open. Now, instead of reaching for sour cream, which is full of heavy saturated fat, spoon a large dollop of plain Greek yogurt right into the center of the potato, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. The Greek yogurt tastes remarkably similar to sour cream, but it is packed with high-quality, strained protein. You get the massive cramp-stopping power of the potato and the muscle-building power of the yogurt in one steaming, comforting package. When you wake up feeling incredibly stiff and heavy, make a bowl of quick oats, peanut butter, and banana. This is the ultimate cure for heavy legs. Pour 1/2 cup of quick oats into a bowl with warm water or milk and microwave for 1 minute. Oats provide incredibly steady, slow-burning energy. Once the oats are warm, stir in 1 large tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. The peanut butter melts into a rich, savory sauce. Now, take a ripe, soft banana, peel it, and instead of slicing it, just break it into chunks with your hands and mash it directly into the hot oatmeal with your spoon. The magnesium from the peanut butter and the potassium from the banana work together in perfect harmony. They act almost like a natural muscle relaxant, allowing tight, fatigued leg muscles to finally release and relax. It is soft, sweet, and incredibly nourishing. On days when your appetite is very low, but you know your legs need support, the bone broth and butter bean mug is a true lifesaver. This is a meal you can sip while sitting in your favorite armchair. Buy a high-quality store-bought chicken or beef bone broth. Bone broth is simmered for much longer than regular broth, which means it is packed with extracted collagen. Collagen is the exact material that your tendons and ligaments are made of, making it incredible for aging knee joints. Heat a mug of this broth in the microwave until steaming. Now, open a can of butter beans, rinse them very well, and drop a 1/2 cup of the beans directly into the hot broth. Butter beans are large, but they are incredibly creamy and soft inside. They require almost zero chewing effort, but they provide massive amounts of soluble fiber and plant protein. You get hydration, joint support, and muscle fuel in a wonderfully gentle, savory mug. Our final meal focuses heavily on the actual bones in your legs. It is the sardine and lemon quick mash toast. Sardines are an absolute superfood that we have forgotten about in modern cooking. Because the fish are so small, they are canned with their tiny bones still inside. Those bones are completely soft and edible, which means when you eat sardines, you are getting a highly absorbable direct dose of calcium to fortify your own skeleton. Open a tin of boneless or traditional sardines and drain the oil or water. Place the fish in a small bowl. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the fresh bright juice over the fish, and use a fork to mash it into a savory paste. The lemon juice perfectly cuts through the richness of the fish. Spread this thick mash over a piece of soft, lightly toasted bread. It is an old-fashioned, highly practical meal that requires no cooking at all, but delivers a spectacular amount of calcium, protein, and joint-soothing omega-3 fats. Rebuilding the strength in your legs does not require expensive supplements, exhausting workout routines, or hours spent chopping vegetables in the kitchen. Your body is incredibly resilient. It simply needs you to provide the right everyday ingredients: protein to repair the muscle, potassium to stop the cramping, and calcium to keep the bones strong. By using these clever shortcuts, like warming a few simple ingredients together, or using a quick microwave trick, you can give your body exactly what it needs without draining your energy. Be kind to yourself, and remember that every meal is an opportunity to add a little more strength to your foundation. Pick just one of these easy, elevated meals to try this week. Let me know in the comments below which of these 15 recipes sounds the most comforting to you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Please subscribe to the channel to keep building your healthy kitchen, and I will see you in the next video.